Hello everyone and welcome to my channel today. Today I will be talking about the different type of threads I use and how I create, what I use in creating my stitch holes. So first off here, we have two types of stitching punch here. I have the straight one and the slant one. And this one is a 4 mm space apart and this one is a 3.5 mm space apart. So, and here also I have my thick leather and my soft leather, and I have my waxed linen thread and my nylon non-waxed thread. So let's start. So first off, as you see here, I have my two different types of punch showing here. The first one, the 4 mm straight punch, is the one showing on the front one. This was the hole it created, and the second line is showing the slant one, which is my 3.85 mm that got me the slant stitch hole. So when working, I work with these two threads, the waxed linen thread and the nylon thread. So I use this one, this waxed linen thread. The size I can't really get the size, but what's written here is a 210D/1x16. I don't know what that means, but if you know, leave it on the comment section and explain to me better. So I use this one for heavy duty bags and leather projects, this wax, because the threads it's bigger and it's strong. It has a firm, as you can see, it's firm, it's smooth, and it's waxed. So on the other one, I have my twine thread. It's not waxed, and it comes with different colors. I have black, white, this blue, orange, black, and I have white. And I have the white, keep it to prevent it from getting dirty. So this is the white, but I used this blue. So for the other one, I have brown waxed. Yeah, the same thing is written on it there as well. This one is a 210D/1x16. That was written on it. So this is the brown and that is the red of the wax. You can see how it stays together without falling out of it. That's how waxed it is. So straight up to what we have on the desk, I have my soft leather and my thick leather. So on the soft one, my left here, I have the twine thread with my two types of punch mouth, and I have on my right, I have the thick waxed thread. So as you can see, it appears that this one stitches better on the soft leather, on the light leather, while this one doesn't appear so good on the light leather. Then here on the thick one, I have that the twine thread sews pretty fine too on the thick one, and the thick wax thread sews fine on the thick leather, as you can see. I got this hole, and I got this hole. So talking about the holes, this one, it shows well on the thick leather, as you can see, but doesn't show well on the light leather. Well, and basically punches and line don't really show clearly on the light leather. So what I do, I use this twine thread for my light projects, for soft leather, for wallets, light duty bags and all. Yeah, and for this one I use it for heavy duty bags, thick leather for bags and footwears. I use waxed thread for it. And when stitching with this one, hand stitching with this thread, it loses. It's easy to come off like this. It starts coming off, and that's not good for the project you're working on at all. Having this on your bags and your wallets, that's not good. But this one, it's clean, it doesn't lose, it's firm and it stays put on your project, and even before putting it on your thread, you're stitching, hand stitching needle. So to keep this thread from losing while stitching, I wax it. I just go like 3-4 times on it. I wax it. Waxing your thread keeps your thread on your project, prevents it from losing, prevents it from coming off ugly. But when you wax it, it stays firm. See? So this is the secret to holding this twine thread from losing while stitching. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your family and friends. Until my next video, bye.